If you're dealing with scan errors in Tenable, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk through how to troubleshoot and fix these errors quickly so you can get back to securing your network. Stick around till the end because I'll share a tip that'll save you a lot of time. Plus, you can try Tenable for free using the exclusive link below, which comes with some bonus features you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the first thing you'll want to check when you encounter scan errors in Tenable. Check your network configuration. If scans are failing, it could be that your network configuration isn't set up correctly. Make sure your scanners have proper access to the targets. Check that firewalls, proxies, or other network restrictions aren't blocking Tenable's scan traffic. Next thing you should verify is the scan settings. Tenable has several scanning options, and using the wrong one can cause errors. If you've selected a scan type that's incompatible with your target system, you'll get errors. For instance, some scan types require elevated permissions or specific ports to be open. Review your settings to make sure they match your environment. The third thing to check is the scanner status. Ensure your scanner is up and running. If the scanner is down or disconnected, scans can fail. You can do this by logging into Tenable and checking the scanner's status in the interface. You'll want to make sure the scanner is reporting as active and connected to your system. The fourth thing is credentialed scans. If you're using credentialed scans, make sure your credentials are up to date. Expired or incorrect login credentials can result in failures or incomplete scan results. Double check that the usernames, passwords, or API keys you're using are correct and have the necessary permissions for the scan. Next up, scan limitations could also be causing your errors. Tenable might run into issues if the scan exceeds resource limitations like timeouts, memory, or CPU constraints. Try breaking down large scans into smaller parts, or adjust the scan settings to limit the depth of the scan. This will help prevent the system from becoming overloaded. The sixth thing to check is plugin updates. Tenable continuously releases updates to its plugins. If your plugins are outdated, this can cause errors or missed vulnerabilities during scans. Make sure your plugins are up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Finally, check scan results and logs. When an error occurs, Tenable generates detailed logs that can point you to the specific problem. Review these logs to identify the root cause of the issue. Whether it's a misconfiguration or a network issue, the logs are your best friend in troubleshooting scan errors. And before you go, remember that you can get Tenable completely free from the link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have all the tools you need to prevent errors and get the most out of your scans. If you found this troubleshooting guide helpful, give it a like and don't forget to check the first link for that free trial.